This is the outfit for Tuesday. I have on this simple dress from a session stand in John Lewis ages ago, topped up with my face 8 long sweater, and I have cut Geiger trainers on. The bag of the day will be my Peyton satchel in lime green. This one, half style day, I would say simply, with a couple of charms, Coach, TK Maxx, and this is from Michael Kors. And of course, I had to put in my favorite hang tag from my bestie, Mimi Loves Bags, that says Peyton Satchel Queen. That is it. So that is my look for today. Tell me, what do you think of this bag and the color? Tell me in the comments. It's your bag bestie. I style outfits and bags to stand out at work. What about you? If you're intentional about your work bags, my friends, you are in the right place. So follow, share, and like.